Hi and welcome to Let's Cafe. Today you're going to note down the top 8 places to visit in Kisii County. Let's get straight into the video. Number 8, Nyanga Hills. Nyanga Hills in Kisii County is also known as Ekerore. Nyanga Hills offers an amazing view of Kisii town. When you visit Kisii County, don't forget to go up the hill and soak in the great view of Kisii County. Number 7, Nyanga Hills. Nyanga Hills offers ideal opportunities for hiking and other nature-related adventures. Visit Nyanga Hills while in Kisii County and enjoy great adventures while there. Number 6, Nyanga Forest. Nyanga Forest is located in Kuja South District. It covers approximately 104 hectares. It is also one of the major attractions for nature lovers in Kisii County. Visit the forest while in Kisii County for nature walks and bird watching adventures. Number 5, Kuja River. It is one of the main rivers that drain into Lake Victoria. It originates in the highlands of Kyabonyoru in Nyamira County. It is a major attraction for nature lovers. It passes through the heart of Kuja District, turning west through Migori County, where it joins the Migori River and flows as the Kuja-Migori River into Lake Victoria. Number 4, Sameta Hills. These Sameta Hills provide exceptional opportunities for hiking adventures and sightseeing of other beautiful sceneries in Kisii County and beyond. Number 3, Yakana Falls. It's a breathtaking waterfall located in River Kuja, which originates in the highlands of Kyabonyoru. This is one of the best places to visit in Kisii County for sightseeing adventures. Number 2, Manga Hills. Manga Hills provide ideal opportunities for hiking and sightseeing adventures. The hills also serve as a boundary between Gusii and Nyamira counties. Number 1, Tabaka Soapstone Mine. Tabaka is definitely one place you need to visit while touring Kisii County. It's located about 24 kilometers from Kisii town. Soapstone carving has been the main pillar of Tabaka's economy for generations. It has created employment for hundreds of young people in Tabaka. You can visit the place to have a glimpse of how soapstone is mined and the various beautiful carvings made from soapstone. Tabaka is actually the main source of soapstone in Kenya. You can purchase the numerous soapstone carvings at affordable prices. Those are the top 8 places to visit in Kisii County. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. Please like this video, leave us a comment below in the comment section, and kindly consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Don't forget to put your notification bell on so that you don't miss out on future posts from the channel. See you on the next video, and bye-bye.